What's going on, guys? How are you? How are you doing? My name is Shocks, and this is ShocksCapital FX. So today I want to talk about everything you need to know about Deriv synthetic indices. So first of all, Deriv is a broker that has been around for more than 20 years. It was founded in 2000, right? So if you go to their website, that information is there. But we don't want to dwell there. We want to talk about Deriv indices and synthetic indices. So there are many names to these indices, right? Some call them derived indices, some synthetic indices, some volatile. They've been changing names with time, right? So when I first knew about them, they were called volatility indices. Then they became synthetic indices, and now Deriv.com calls them derived indices. So today I want to explain what these indices are, give you some examples, show you some charts, and tell you exactly how you should be trading these indices. So number one, let's use the definition that we get on the Deriv indices website. So derived indices trade on assets what. So if you go down to synthetic indices, these are Deriv indices own make, right? So they make these simulations. So they simulate the reward market movements, which means the Deriv indices, the synthetic indices are not real, right? They are not real like Euro USD. They are not real like GBP USD. They are not real like the Nasdaq. They are computer generated indices that mimic the real world markets, or in other words, we are saying they are computer generated, but they can be traded using the concepts that you can trade pairs like Euro USD, that you can trade pairs like GBP USD, things like that. And the other thing, these indices are available 24/7, right? They're available 24/7 and are not affected by news events, global events, or market or liquidity, anything, because these are computer generated. They move regardless of you making a trade or not. So if you place a trade, they move. If you don't place a trade, they move. So they move with or without you. You understand what you are saying? So in the forex market, you have to have players, you have to have banks, you have to have liquidity providers, you have to have traders, you have to have all those things. In synthetic indices, it's just a 24/7 market that is moving on the go every time. So it comes with disadvantages and it comes with its advantages. The top advantage is you can trade whenever you want or wherever you want, at any time of the day and things like that. So the volatility indices, the most common ones or the most popular ones are these ones that are listed here. So you are having what we call volatility 10 1S, volatility 75 1S, and you are having 251S up to V100 index, right? So the original ones were V10, volatility 10, volatility 75, V25, V100, and V50X. So when I started trading, these five were the original ones, or these five were the ones that were available to trade, right? So if you read through, you see the explanations of each and every one. Then we have what you call crash and boom, and these ones show how they move. You see these arrows that you're seeing here. This shows exactly how boom and crash moves, and you go to jump indices. So they have every type of indices that you might think of and that you might want to trade. So let's go to the charts. So they have their own trading view, right? So this is the URL that you can use to access this trading view page. So it's tradingview.deriv.com /Deriv, right? So this is what you get. So if you want to change here, you just go and to derived here, you go and search here. So you are searching, let's go to volatility 151S, right? See how it goes, and you change to 15 minutes time frame here, and you see the page loading. So this is how it moves. So this is how you will be trading it. So this is how the chart looks. So if you look closely, you clearly see that it mimics the real market for sure. And there are one or two examples where you are going to see that maybe it differs from what you are accustomed to, right? So let's just look through here. So you have, let's say if you a trend line trader, you can draw your trend lines here, right? You see it's respecting trend lines. And if you are a trader who trades M and W's, you are going to see your M's and W's in here, right? So this is your M, and this is your V top, this is your A top, this is your M, this is your W, this is your triple top, and things like that. So as you can see, you see this is your head and shoulder. So you are seeing head and shoulders here. This is the head, shoulder, shoulder, break, retest, and go. So this is how the real market moves, right? This is what break and retest. You are seeing break, retest. So this is how these indices are traded, and this is how they look like. So you can trade these indices from any part of the world. And if you want to be involved in trading with these indices, I will leave a link in the description down below, and I'll leave a link in the comments box down below, so that you can just go click that link, go and open your demo account. After opening your demo account, you go to your email and you confirm that that's your real email. Then you go and upgrade that demo account. So you can't create a real account before you create a demo. So don't get confused there. You create a demo, then you can upgrade after filling in your details, your name and your surname and your address and things like that. Then you can get your real account. You can deposit using crypto, you can deposit using a bank card, you can deposit using anything, using any form of money that you use, depending on the country or region that you are residing in, right? So after that, you go and look at this. So if you are living in a country that I'm part of, you can use agents, payment agents, and myself, I'm a payment agent, right? And I can help you in that regard if you need assistance in depositing and withdrawing in your account. So this is how we are doing. And remember, this is the 1 day of the volatility 25. You can go to the 1 hour and you see that this mimics the real world market. And you see, this has been a downtrend for ages. And if you were involved in this, you will just be selling, and you can sell here and go down like that. So these are Deriv Indices. Remember, you can get your account in the description down below, and you can trade like a boss, and you can trade every day. These are the advantages, and this is what I wanted to show you guys about Deriv Indices. Everything that you need to know is in this video. Share it with friends, share it with family, and get to know about the world of deriv trading. In 2024, you have to trade deriv. There's no way you should be missing out on these things. Hands to the head, salute.